These 20 Amazon Home finds are smart, practical, and seriously useful for making your space feel cleaner, more organized, and way more functional. From laundry and storage solutions to cozy home upgrades, these picks can help make everyday life a whole lot easier. All the links are in the description below, so let's get into it. Number 1. The Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Laundry Rack. A simple but super practical home essential that makes air drying clothes easier, more organized, and way more convenient. It's great for small spaces, apartments, laundry rooms, or everyday use when you want a more flexible drying option. It also helps save space, supports gentler clothing care, and makes laundry routines feel a lot more manageable. Number 2. The efluky Rolling Slim Laundry Basket. A smart and space-saving laundry essential that helps make storing and moving clothes a whole lot easier. Its slim design is perfect for tight spaces like beside washers, between furniture, or in small laundry areas, while the rolling feature adds extra convenience for everyday use. It also helps reduce clutter, keeps laundry more organized, maximizes unused space, and makes your routine feel more efficient and manageable. Number 3. The House Day Space Saving Hanger Hooks. A simple but seriously helpful closet find that can instantly give you more hanging space without needing a bigger closet. They are perfect for organizing shirts, jackets, pants, or full outfits while keeping everything looking cleaner, neater, and easier to access. They also help reduce closet clutter, maximize vertical space, separate clothing more efficiently, and make your wardrobe feel a lot more organized and put together. Number 4. The Laiensia Double Rods Garment Rack. A stylish and super practical storage solution that gives you extra hanging space while helping your room feel cleaner, more organized, and way more put together. It's perfect for clothes, jackets, outfits, or everyday essentials, especially if your closet space is limited. It also helps reduce clutter, keeps your favorite pieces within easy reach, and adds a more functional look to your space. Number 5. The Aolloa Shelf Dividers. A simple but super satisfying organization upgrade that helps keep your shelves looking cleaner, neater, and way more put together. They are perfect for separating clothes, towels, blankets, handbags, or other stacked items while making everything easier to see and grab. They also help reduce messy piles, keep storage spaces more organized, maximize shelf space, and make your closet or linen setup feel a whole lot more functional. Number 6. The CordaRoy Chenille Bean Bag. A cozy and oversized home comfort essential that adds both relaxation and functionality to your space. It's perfect for lounging, reading, movie nights, gaming, or just creating a more comfortable setup at home. It also helps make your room feel more inviting, adds a soft cozy vibe, gives you a comfy spot to unwind anytime, and makes casual seating feel a whole lot more enjoyable. Number 7. The Kitstorack Under Bed Storage Containers. A smart and space-saving storage solution that helps you use one of the most overlooked areas in your home. They are perfect for storing clothes, shoes, blankets, seasonal items, or extra essentials while keeping everything neatly tucked away, but still easy to access. They also help reduce clutter, free up closet space, and make your room feel a lot more organized and functional. Number 8. The JAUREE Tripod Clothes Drying Rack. A smart and space-saving laundry essential that makes air drying clothes easier, more organized, and a lot more convenient. It's especially great for shirts, delicates, longer garments, or everyday laundry while helping you dry more items without taking up too much floor space. It also helps reduce clutter, supports gentler clothing care, and makes your laundry setup feel more efficient and functional. Number 9. The MSHOMELY Underwear Organizer for Closet. A simple but super satisfying storage upgrade that helps keep your drawers or closet looking cleaner, neater, and way more organized. It's perfect for underwear, socks, bras, or smaller clothing essentials while making everything easier to sort, see, and grab. It also helps reduce drawer clutter, saves time during busy mornings, maximizes small storage spaces, and makes your daily routine feel a lot more put together. Number 10. The BAMBALIK Bedsheet Organizer. A smart and satisfying storage solution that helps keep your bed sheets, pillowcases, and bedding sets neatly folded, easy to store, and much easier to find. It helps reduce linen closet clutter, keeps matching sets together, makes shelves look cleaner, and gives your storage space a much more polished and organized feel. It also makes laundry organization easier and helps simplify everyday home routines. Number 11. The Vikaqi Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. A smart and space-saving solution that helps you dry clothes without taking up valuable floor space. It mounts to the wall and folds away when not in use, making it perfect for small homes, balconies, or laundry areas. It also helps keep your space neat, supports gentler drying for clothes, maximizes unused wall space, and adds a more organized and functional touch to your home. Number 12. The Aufworld Magnetic Spice Rack. A smart and space-saving organizer that helps keep your spices, small jars, or kitchen essentials neatly stored and easy to reach. It's perfect for making better use of your fridge side or other metal surfaces while freeing up shelf and counter space. It also helps reduce kitchen clutter, keeps everyday essentials more accessible, and makes your cooking area feel cleaner and more organized. Number 13. The Collapsible Wagon Cart. A super practical everyday helper that makes carrying groceries, laundry, outdoor gear, packages, or household items a whole lot easier. It's great for home use, errands, trips, or outdoor activities while helping reduce lifting effort and making transport way more convenient. It also folds down for easier storage, saves effort, and adds a lot of everyday usefulness to your routine. Number 14. The MSHOMELY Bedsheet Organizers. A neat and practical storage solution that helps keep your bedding sets folded, sorted, and much easier to manage. They are great for organizing sheets, pillowcases, and linens while helping your closet or storage shelves look cleaner and less cluttered. They also keep matching sets together, save time when you need them, and make your linen setup feel a lot more organized. Number 15. The BROOKSTONE Collapsible Laundry Basket. A simple but super handy laundry essential that makes carrying, sorting, and storing clothes a whole lot easier. It's great for bedrooms, dorms, laundry rooms, or small spaces, and the collapsible design makes it even more convenient when you're not using it. It also helps reduce clutter, saves storage space, and makes everyday laundry feel a lot more manageable. Number 16. The Rolitwils Portable Clothes Dryer. A convenient and space-friendly laundry solution that helps dry clothes faster without needing a full-size dryer. It's great for small spaces, travel, apartments, dorms, or everyday use when you want a quicker and more flexible drying option. It also helps save time, adds convenience to laundry day, and makes your routine feel a lot more efficient. Number 17. The HomeMate Heated Electric Throw Blanket. A cozy home essential that adds warmth, comfort, and a more relaxing feel to your space. It's perfect for chilly mornings, movie nights, reading, or just getting extra comfortable while you unwind at home. It also helps make your room feel more inviting, adds a cozy touch to your routine, and makes relaxing feel even better. Number 18. The Volnamal Legging Organizer. A simple but super smart closet helper that makes storing leggings, workout wear, or folded clothing much easier and way more organized. It helps keep your closet neat, makes your favorite pieces easier to find, and turns messy storage into something much more clean and manageable. It also helps reduce clutter, saves space, and makes getting dressed feel a little easier. Number 19. The ChooChoo Bathroom Wall Cabinet. A stylish and space-saving storage upgrade that helps keep your bathroom essentials neatly organized without taking up valuable floor space. It's great for toiletries, towels, skincare, or other daily use items while making your bathroom feel cleaner, more polished, and much more functional. It also helps reduce countertop clutter, improve storage, and adds a more organized look to your space. Number 20. The Youtanic Oversized Camping Chair. A comfortable and practical outdoor essential that gives you more room to relax whether you're camping, tailgating, sitting outside, or just enjoying time outdoors. It's designed to make lounging feel more comfortable while adding extra convenience for trips, backyard use, or weekend adventures. It also makes outdoor seating more enjoyable, adds comfort on the go, and gives you a more relaxing setup wherever you take it. All the links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.